Calabow CNC Maker Squad. So hey guys, it's been a really long time. I apologize for taking a hiatus, but as you can see behind me, I've got a new engine for the chipper shredder. I've got some new parts that just arrived today, and all these parts are going to the machine shop right now. I worked with a coworker and we did up some CAD models of the parts that are being done, how they should be machined and assembled so that this whole thing can be back up and running again. There's the old engine that exploded on me. But yeah, so the new engine, problem was the hopper feeder, which you can see, I think you can see, you can kind of see it right there. Yeah. That thing, wasn't gonna, this new engine is a 14 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine. So, it's quite a bit bigger than the Tecumseh 9.5 horsepower or 9 horsepower engine that had before. But the new one, this gas tank and the exhaust system up here on top interfered with the feeder hopper if you mount the feeder hopper and the enclosure right on the engine face, which could technically be done, but there would have to be some adjustments that have to be made to the blades, because this is a straight shaft with a keyway, and the original blades, which are right there, is a tapered shaft. So I had to do some adapter work anyways, and as you can see, that's what's going to be happening here. So hopefully we can get this thing up and running soon, and I'll keep you guys up to date. Hopefully we can get this thing done and move on to some other stuff. So yeah, all right, take care guys, happy making, bye bye.